Guys, welcome to my channel. Today this video show you how to fix Microsoft Outlook not syncing, how to fix Microsoft Outlook inbox is not updating. To fix this issue, close Outlook, click on Start button and go to Settings. Select Apps, then click on Apps and Features. Search for Outlook. Scroll down and go to Outlook. Click the ellipses in Outlook New and then select Advanced Options. Scroll down. Under the Reset button, click on the repair. Wait for the repair to complete. This is usually pretty fast. A check mark will appear next to the repair button when it is done. Close and reopen Outlook. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.